Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Microsoft Outlook email to your Attio account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Microsoft Outlook email to your Attio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Attio CRM, you know that you can connect to your email inbox so you can manage directly from inside your CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into Attio account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Microsoft Outlook, here on the top left, click on your workspace name. Once you do that, you're going to look for this button here called Account Settings. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you want to click on Email and Calendar Accounts. Once you do that, look for the Microsoft logo and click on Connect Microsoft. Okay, next you can go ahead and sign into your Microsoft Outlook account. Okay, next Microsoft's going to warn you that your Attio account CRM is requesting all of this permissions. Go ahead and read through it, and if you're okay with it, click on Accept. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back into my Attio CRM, and as you can see, my Microsoft Outlook email is now connected to my Attio, so I can manage the inbox from my Attio. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Microsoft Outlook email to your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.